closing ceremony of the 9th edition of Everest International Model United Nations, we have reached the culmination of 5 days filled with moments of learning, networking, and inspiration.
Please do not forget that when you came here, maybe you came as an individual, but when you leave, you have the power to form institutions such as YTS to make sure that when you go back to your communities or the country that you come from, you can also share the knowledge that you have gathered here.
Now that you've completed your time here at the Everest International Model UN, you are now officially alumni of the United States Department of State of our Global Exchange Program.
Thank you, delegates. This prestigious award.
Position paper award.
Must be waiting for the best delegate, right?
Honor our DIAS members, UN Women Committee, members of FAO Committee, proceeding with the DIAS members of the UNSC, DIAS panel of UNESCO Committee, for the UNEP Committee, FAO Committee.
The vision and dedication that we share has kept us going on.
On behalf of the entire Secretariat Board, we'd like to announce the official closing of the Everest International Model United Nations 2024.